easiest way you can create a business bank account without CAC or BVN within a very short period of time, within 1 minute, yes, within a minute and even less. Your account will be created, it will be active, to be verified, and customer can send money to you. You can withdraw your money, and things become so easy for you. Now, in this video, what are the objectives of this video? What are the things you are going to learn in this video? In this video, I've done a lot of research. So, in this video, you are going to learn the importance of having a business bank account. I'm also going to show to you in full details how you can create your business bank account without CAC or BVN. So many of us, okay, let's say so many of us does not even have is yet to register with CAC or BVN. Even though if you have CAC or you have registered with CAC, this method is going to work for you effectively. It's going to save you a lot of stress of you going to bank and be submitting this and that. It's very easy, and your business people will be able to send money to your business account. It will save you so many stress. And also in this video, I'm also going to show you how you are going to link your business bank account to your personal account. The importance of this is that it will enable you to be able to send money easily from your business account to your bank account without any charges whatsoever. Now, similarly, I'm also going to show you how customer will be able to send money into your bank account. I'm going to show you a live transfer of a customer sending money to your business account, and how you can also withdraw it back into your personal account. I'm going to show it to you. I'm also going to show you how you're going to send money or withdraw your money. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. So, if you are new to this channel, thank you. I highly welcome you. But don't forget that this channel is about how to make money and how to be more profitable in your businesses. So, kindly subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for trusting me. I love you so much. So, let's get into it. Now, what is the difference between? I want to show you a screenshot of a business account. Look at this, a screenshot of my own business account, Peak Academy Tutorial Center. This is a screenshot. So now the importance of you having a business account is that people begin to trust your business more and more. Just imagine I saying you send money to Daniel Adeboye, or I saying you send money to Daniel Adeboye Academy. It's a two different things. Daniel Adeboye is a person. Daniel Adeboye Academy or your business your business is also a different person, and people tend to trust your business more when you present them with your business bank account instead of your own personal bank account. As you can see, this is my own business account for my tutorial center, Peak Academy Tutorial Center, and for me to create this does not even cost me anything. And it is free. Whatever, it is free, and you're not to pay any money whatsoever. It is totally free. I did not submit CAC, I did not submit the PVN, and I have verified this in total. So let's get to it now. The next objective is how you're going to create your own bank business account. I'm going to show you now how you can create your own bank business account very fast. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you can actually come to your browser and put in this website. But to make things easy, let us download their application. You know, banks now, every banks have website and application. So I'm going to download the application of this bank. The name of this bank is let me check. I forgot it. The name of this bank is VFD Microfinance Bank. As you can see, the bank VFD Microfinance Bank. Don't worry about it. You can actually go to online to verify, but based on the verification, they are in Lagos, they are active, and they are verified. CBN has registered them, and they are not. It's not against saying it is 100% legit. So now let's go to our Google Play Store and download the application. So I'm going to go to my own Google Play Store. I'm using Android here, so I'm going to go to Google Play Store here and download the application. Just come to your search button rather, and search for VPay Merchant. So we're going to download the Merchant. So they have two applications, VPay Merchant and VPay Cashier. But what we need now is just the VPay Merchant. So this is the VPay Merchant. Just download your own. It's very short. I think it's about less than 10 MB. You're going to have it very fast. So when you install it, finish, you're going to open it. So I am going to come back here. I've already downloaded the application, so I'm going to open the application now. So I'm going to show you the interface of the application. So this application is going to appear. So you should go into my own details automatically. Okay, so alright, so this is my own details automatically, and I've actually done some transactions just to verify it. So I'm going to log out here and then later log in, creating a domain account. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create your own account. So let me see. Okay, so I'm going to log out. Just logging out now. So for you to create your account, immediately you open the application, just click on create free account. When you create free account, this is going to pop up for you. Just put your first name. So I'm going to put this just a domain account. So I'm going to write my name, Temitope here, and here just put Daniel. Okay, just put Daniel. Then put phone number. Now you have to put a valid phone number, a very valid phone number. So let me just I can't put, so let me put another person's phone number. Okay, so I'm going to put that phone number, a valid phone number, then a valid email account. So I'm just going to put this email account there. Then this referral code is optional, so I can leave it the way it is. So let me just call it YouTube. Okay, YouTube, just call it YouTube at 123. So let me just call this password YouTube at 123 and just repress it again. You know, this is a domain account, so you can see my password. Oh, it is not going to be my real password. Okay, 123. Just start match. Then you're going to click on verify to verify it. When you now come to this page, now this page you're going to put your legal business account. This is what people is going to see. This is the account name that people is going to be sending money to. So you have to put your real business name. For example, if your business name is Help Me Oh God Venture or anything, you're going to put it here, or anything your business name is, so put it here. Just like you have your own name as, like for example, my name is Daniel, so you have your own name, but this one you're going to put your business name. So let me put a dummy business name here and call it Daniel TV. Just call it Daniel TV. Let's assume that's my business name. Then I'm going to choose an industry where this thing is my business is all about. So since I have chosen TV, let me see telecommunication. Let me call it telecommunication service. So you are going to choose the industry that you belongs to here. Just search it. Let's say you are in clothing, or anything you are into. Just put it there. So I'm going to put telecommunication there. Then I'm going to put my address. So I'm going to choose a state. So I'm going to just say I'm in Lagos. Okay, I'm in Lagos State. The local government. Let me just call it Ikeja local government. Then my address, I don't know if this address exists. I don't know if it is address. So when you are through, just click on finish. So let's see what's going to do. It's loading. Alright, so let's wait for that to load. This actually creating an account for you. So that is probably everything you have to do. Just make sure that you put your real name. Immediately you finish that, it's going to tell you to log in again. So this part is very important. So let me log in again with what I actually used here. So you can actually log in with either your password, your email, or your phone number. So I've got that. Please send me a confirmation mail. So I'm going to put in the password we put. Oh, what is that password that we put? Can you remind me? Okay, I think I remember. So I took YouTube. Okay, this capture data. No, you can actually go and check this because I'm not going to do anything yet. 1, 2, 3. So just going to log in. Alright, so I'm going to log into the account now. So you just put your own account and I'm going to log in into your account. So here I am in my account. As you can see, immediately I log into my account here, they automatically give me my account number. So this is my account number. So 4600111820 now. You can see Daniel TV. So this is the account number that people are going to be sending money to. You got that? Be sending money to. So them sending to my own personal account. You are going to see, and the name of account is going to be Daniel TV. So the name of account is going to be your own account. As you can see, automatically you've already created your own business account. So I'm going to log in into my own real one now, and I will show you the rest of it and how you can actually I don't want to use this dummy address. I don't want to use this dummy account again. I'll actually show you how you can actually create dummy accounts and how you can actually create your own account, dummy account. So I use a dummy account to create that. So I want to shut down this account and of course log into my own original account. So let me just log out. Just go to log out on this one. I'm going to log in using my own account. So I'm just going to sign in. So I'm going to pause this now. So you're not going to see my own original account. Then you meet when immediately I just log in. Okay, so I am in now into my own account now. So this is how my account looks like basically. So you can see if I click on here, actually, as you know, when I showed this screenshot I showed you before, so Peak Academy Tutorial Center, this is my account number and that. So now the next thing I'm going to show you is how you are going to link your business bank account to your personal account. To be able to link that is very easy, extremely easy. All you have to do is this gear icon here, this gear icon up here, just click on the gear icon, then come to edit business details. Bank details rather. When you click on edit bank details, from here they're going to put in your own details. As you can see, I've already put in my own details. Just choose the name of your bank, your name of your own personal bank. Although this process is not compulsory, but it is very, very necessary to save you stress. So immediately people have sent money into this bank account, you can now withdraw it into your own business personal account. So initially people are sending you money regularly to your business account, into your bank account, your personal bank account, to be depositing deducting charges at the end of the month. Just say big money, like they deposited me 1,000 naira, big money actually at the end of the month. But when it comes to this business account, then I just withdraw it once in a while to save you a lot of stress. So just select the name of your bank here and then put the phone number. Automatically to ping out your phone your name of the phone number. So this is my own name, so this is my bank account, this is my name. Yeah, then please make sure that this thing is in green. Is in green, so that when people send money, so automatically go to a personal account, going to be in this, will be on this application. Then when this application can push you to directly your bank account, there you're going to click on continue, and that is going to be done. So that is the easiest way you're going to be able to put in your bank account. So I'm now going to show you a live customer coming to your bank account to just perform some action. As you can see, I've actually performed some action here just to confirm if this application is real, if they are going to be able to make me to pay, customer is going to pay and that. So I've confirmed everything. So I'm going to show you now in full details. So I'm going to show you everything in full details now. Let me come back to my bank account. So just go to your bank account, just click on your this image here, click on this image, then copy. Just copy this. I'm going to go to my bank account, so my bank here. So here I'm using Wema Bank. So I'm just going to log in into my Wema Bank account here. So I'm going to pause this again. So let's say a customer wants to send you money. So I'm already into my Wema Bank account and Zenith is not my Zenith account now. So let's say customers want to send you money, probably they prefer something from you, and want to send you money directly. So you just give a quick to the customer that bank account that you've gotten from as your business bank account, you give it to them. Then customer just like, now I'm a customer that has to send it to my bank account now. Then you select the bank. Now the name of the bank is customer just search for VFD. As you can see, VFD Microfinance Bank. After you start, then when they said you tell them the name of the bank is VFD Microfinance Bank. You tell them that. You give them your bank name, give them the bank account phone number, account number rather, pardon me, and also give them the name of the bank. Then I'm going to put in my bank details here. This is my bank account number, the business bank account number. Immediately I put the business bank account number, you pop up the name, Peak Academy Tutorial Center. Hope that is being got to do. I'm just going to put a demo account, just a small money, not too big, just to demonstrate it. I'm just going to put in like 20 naira to show you how this is going to work. And I'm just going to write, let me just write sent, just sent, and just going to click on continue. So let's say then I'm going to put in my my pin here. So I'm going to pause this now so you not see my pin. So when I put in my pin, then I'm going to continue. Alright, so I've successfully put in my pin, and as a customer I have actually sent my bank. I've already sent money to Peak Academy using their business account. Hope that is being gotten. Then I'm going to close this now. So let's say now you as the owner, you now want to go back. Probably let's say I already sent money to you. Then you just go back to your business account here, your VP business account. So I'm going to go into it now. One thing I also like about this is that immediately customer pay into your business, you receive an email. So there's nothing, as you can see, this is from Zenith Bank. As you can see, if I should check my email here, it's going to appear. Alright, so let me just take away everything that belongs to them and see. So let me just look. The reason why this is not picking my phone, my bank account, bank number again is because, as you can see, the 30 naira, I actually sent 20 naira. It has been automatically sent, and I've automatically received an email. As you can see, automatically received an email. So it will take away fake account, fake alert. Not like fake alert in this, because you actually see the money. It's not delayed. You see the money. I want my bank account to show again, so it's not showing again. I just have to leave the app and log in again, so my bank account will automatically show. As you can see, within a short period of time, I've already received the money. That's what I like about it. It does not waste time, nothing. So my the 30 naira I sent has automatically shown here. Okay, I think I might need to. Okay, I want the comment is going to show back now. So my bank account has automatically shown now. So the next thing I want to do now, I want to show you how you are going to withdraw the money. Let's say that you've already got, let's say you already have 3 million naira into your account, then you want to withdraw it back. So to withdraw it, you can actually send it as money to, if you send to somebody. But one thing there, you send to somebody, they will deduct 20 naira for me. So the larger the amount, so they will deduct more, because the highest they will deduct is 100 naira. But that is even to send to another account. They want to send to withdraw it to one account, they will not withdraw any money. So when I tested it, they did not withdraw any money. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click on withdraw. Now the amount I want to withdraw, let's assume I want to withdraw 25 naira now. I want to click on continue. I want to put in my PIN. Oh, I did not tell you that you have to create a PIN. Of course, when you create your bank account, let's go back. When you create your bank account here, let's see, when you come this gear icon and you click bank account, let's see. Of course, you have to put your security PIN. Immediately you click on your bank account details and you click on continue. You will be told to put in PIN. So like 4 PIN, normal 4 PIN I used to put, 4 PIN. So when I click on continue like this, the normal 4 PIN, you'll be told to put that in, and okay, so these are successfully added. Alright, so I think it's still being security. The reason why it's not trying to show 4 PIN is because I've actually don't do many transactions on it, so it has already known me. So you have to put in, set in your 4 PIN automatically. So you not get that PIN, let me know. I'm going to create a video again to verify that place. So if you not get it, just let me know. But I think it should be very clear. Alright, so let me just come back. I want to withdraw the money. I'm going to click on withdraw. Let's say I want to withdraw 25 naira, for example. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to put in my PIN. Just putting my PIN into this account. So because I want to put in my PIN, okay, no worry. I'm going to put in my PIN here. Okay, just putting my PIN and click on continue. When I click on continue, let's see what is going to happen. Let's see if the money is going to actually be sent or not. There's sometimes that you see it can automatically send automatically. I'm going to receive an alert that I've already withdrawn the money, 25 naira, and I should see 5 naira into my bank account, my business account here. So there's sometimes that if you first create it, don't panic if you try to send it, not send. Just refresh it, go back and refresh. The app is going to work. It actually happened to me some time ago, and it's going to work perfectly for me. They're also good. I can see 5 naira. This is nothing is being withdrawn from my account whatsoever. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will still receive my alert and every other thing. Receive the mail from them and this and that to see copy. But also save time, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how you're going to create your own business, your business bank account. Okay, I've already received a lot from them, and the money has come in actually. So these are you're going to create your own business account very fast without CAC, without PBN. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe you've gotten value from this video. So if you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, comment below. If you have any difficulty in creating your business account, I will be glad to help. Just comment below with any difficulty you have, or if you don't have any difficulty at all, the ordinary thank you, your thank you is it's not actually ordinary. Your thank you goes a lot. It touches my heart. So don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.